How to install Firefox on your Mac? The first thing that you think of is going to the App Store and typing in Firefox, right? So as you can see, we have multiple applications that are not actually Firefox, but we have a few browsers. Some are suspicious, some are not. They won't hurt your Mac, but why risk it? So what you want to do now is go to a browser of your choice. By default, Mac comes with Safari, so I'll show you how to do it with Safari. Here, type in download Firefox for Mac. After hitting enter, you can see there are multiple results. The first one is Firefox safety and all that stuff. The second link is actually going to give you the download link over here. Click on that. And here you can see straight away we have the download option. Click on the download option. It may ask you to give it permission to download from this particular website, for which you should say yes. Do not go to some other website and download it. It might risk privacy, safety, your computer may get hacked. All that is possible if you download it from any random website, so don't do that. So as you can see, are you sure? Yes, allow. In this case, allow. After it has downloaded, you can see it in the download section right over here. If you want to look it up in Finder, it will by default come up in downloads, even in Finder. So here you can see we have Firefox. To open it up, double click on it. And as you can see over here, we have multiple options. So to install Firefox, you just want to drag and drop it onto the applications folder. So let's drag it and drop it right over here. And you'll have to put in your admin password. If you have multiple accounts, some of them will have the admin access, some won't. You can set that actually, it is not random. See how it works, you can check out my video as well. So type in the password as well, obviously. And you can see it is copying. So after it has done copying, basically the application has installed. Now you can go to the apps folder, it's right over here, and you can see we have Firefox as well. Other than that, you can also press Command plus space and type in Firefox. You can see the application pops right up. Let's open it up. And it says the application is downloaded from the internet. Do you want to open it? Yes, please. In this case, we know it's from trusted source. If you are sketchy about it, this is the last point after which if you say yes, from a sketchy source, there are some safety issues. So you can send technical and interaction data to Mozilla. You can also automatically send crash reports, none of which I want to do it. I can click on continue. I don't want any of this, so I'll save and continue. I'm just going to skip all these steps for now and start browsing, and there you go. So as you can see, Firefox is installed. There's nothing more I need to do. And before you go, here you can see we have a Firefox quote unquote disk. So this is for the installation. You can just right click and select eject for it and it will go away. You need not leave it running.